Find, enter, prove, travel, act, coordinate, store, watch, recover, pay.
10 regions on the ring and they hand off clean.
Name the fork before you ever read the screen.
One fork at a time. Descend.
Network onion. Every layer can say no.
Travel. The network onion. Address. Route. Security. Return path. All four agree or the packet dies. A route grants a path. A policy grants permission. They are not the same thing.
Address, route, security, and
Return path. It has to come back.
3 agree. 1 does not. What arrived?
Nothing. A timeout. Silence.
Public subnet. Reach the world.
Route to the Internet Gateway. Unfurled.
Private IPv4. Outbound only. Curled.
NAT Gateway in the public subnet. Hurled.
IPv6. Out but never in. No inbound world?
Egress-only Internet Gateway.
You are leaving the subnet. Name the door.
Destination S3 or DynamoDB?
Gateway endpoint. Route table entry. Free.
KMS. SQS. Most other AWS?
Interface endpoint. An ENI. PrivateLink underneath.
General public internet?
NAT Gateway. And you pay per gig.
2 controls. Both filter. Both look right. I am the NACL. I am the subnet. I can say deny.
Security group. The resource. Stateful. Allow only.
Stateless. Ordered rules. Both directions. The stem says block 1 bad IP. The security group dies. The stem says per issue is per instances.
Stateful returns for free. Stateless never does.
SQL injection. Cross-site. Rate. Geo?
WAF. On the ALB or CloudFront. Go.
Whole VPC. Intrusion. Egress domain control?
Network firewall. Inspect the entire flow. Transit gateway. Now say my cues.
Many VPCs. 1 hub. Transitive routing. Peering cannot. On-prem direct connect joins the hub. Route tables per attachment. Segmentation.
All 4. That is the hub.
Private is already right. Name the pipe.
Expose exactly 1 service to customers.
PrivateLink. An NLB behind it. 1 door.
Connect exactly 2 VPCs. No more?
VPC peering. 1-to-1. No transit floor.
Peering and transit gateway both connect. The stem says A reaches C through B. Peering dies. No transit. The stem says exactly 2 VPCs. Transit gateway is overkill. The stem says private and cheap to S3. The NAT gateway dies.
Who was accepted? Who was rejected? Logged?
VPC Flow Logs. Metadata. Never the payload.
You need the packet contents, the whole load?
Flow logs hold no payload. That answer dies.
Shell on a private box. No bastion? No SSH road?
SSM Session Manager. No inbound port at all.
The security group allows it. Nothing arrives. Why?
No route to the gateway. A policy is not a path.
The NACL allows inbound. The reply never lands. Why?
Stateless. Open the ephemeral ports outbound. 1024 and up.
NAT gateway is up. The private subnet still cannot get out.
The NAT sits in the private subnet. It must sit in the public one. It dies. You crossed my layers. Now go do some work.
Find, enter, prove, travel, act, coordinate, store, watch, recover, pay.
10 regions on the ring and they hand off clean.
Name the fork before you ever read the screen.
Travel is done. 10 regions on the ring.
Next region, next fork, go!